This is going to be a demo of my Wavetable oscillator that is built with no CPU. It's just a 4 megabit flash memory at its core, and a voltage controlled oscillator, and a counter, and an ADC, and a DAC, and some op-amps. That's all that's in it. But in this video I'm just going to be walking through some of the sounds. These are just some sounds that I got from a Wavetable sound pack, except for this first one. This first one is a test wavetable that I created with a Python script. It starts out in a sine and goes to a triangle and then to a sawtooth and to a square and to a pulse waveform. Next up we have the cactus, and this is something that you would expect to hear in some dubstep, I guess. This one is the cactus with a flower. That's pretty sweet. This one's pretty boring. It's got some nice variety, I guess. Now we're on to the pink ones. These ones have a pink label. The good thing about any of the ones that I don't like is I can just flash something new on them if I don't like them. This one's pretty meh. Now we've moved on to the yellow ones, which all have yellow labels. There's really no rhyme or reason towards which sounds are on which chips. I just needed a way to tell them apart. And this is the final one.